5G fixed wireless access, FWA, has started to make headlines everywhere in the world, and competition has increased among current and new home broadband service providers. Of course, great quality of service starts with optimal 5G signal reception. And for an indoor 5G gateway, speed, signal strength, multi-user connectivity, and bandwidth performance depend on a successful setup. More specifically, the placement of 5G gateway plays a key role for achieving this. So, how can one ensure the most time-efficient, cost-efficient, and user-friendly placement of the 5G FWA indoor gateway inside your home? This is where Vantiva's Navigate 5G mobile app comes into play. Navigate 5G aims to assist the end user in a seamless, self-setup of their 5G FWA gateways. Firstly, the application determines the closest towers available in the end user's vicinity and guides them to the most suitable place within a house for optimum signal reception. Several criteria determine the correct placement of the gateway, such as the direction of the tower, the proximity to a window, its distance from obstacles, and the highest place possible in the available space. Thanks to clear messaging and intuitive visual cues, the user is informed and guided towards successful gateway placement. Then, signal quality and speed test functionalities are performed to help the user validate the quality of the 5G service. This self-service positioning aims to remove installers' home visits and save operators money by reducing truck rolls. With 5G FWA gateway that benefits from Vantiva's expertise in Wi-Fi, Navigate 5G contributes to a seamless home broadband experience for subscribers. Vantiva's Navigate 5G app offers several features to operators. Firstly, Navigate 5G can be launched from an existing app at the operator's request and is fully customizable. Secondly, given the nature of the app, serverless architecture minimizes operational costs and maintenance. Thirdly, the app can communicate with the gateway over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for signal and speed tests. As said before, Navigate 5G comes with many benefits for both end users and operators.